Welcome all of you 8th standard students. Today we discuss about our remaining point related to our first topic. This is the last point in our first topic, viruses. Okay, this is the remaining point we discuss with you in this whole week, and also simultaneously we start new topic, heat and disease. Okay, health and disease. Health and disease. Okay, health and disease. Okay, these 2 points we discuss in this whole week. Okay, this video I have uploaded on your Gurukul app, so everyone 8th standard you watch it. Have any problem regarding to this technical problem regarding to study points, if not understand if any points in present in this video, and different words you not understand, you ask me in chat box, and also with contact with me. Okay, if any problem with contact with me. Okay, this is our last point regarding to our first chapter, first topic. Okay, we discuss first viruses and then start new topic, health and disease. Okay, the viruses, approximately size of viruses is 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. 10 micrometer to 100. This is a very small size. This is a very small size. Okay, viruses approximately size 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. First organism at the age of living and non-living thing. The viruses is the organism at the age of living and non-living. Means viruses are living thing also and non-living thing also. Okay, viruses are living thing also, means living organism also and non-living organism also. Okay, that's why this organism called age of living and non-living things. That's why this microorganism called as age of living and non-living things. Okay, the organism called both living and non-living. Viruses called both living and non-living things. Okay, next, viruses are extremely minute. Minute means barik, lahan. Okay, lahan, barik and lahan. The viruses extremely minute. 10 to 100 micron. You already know the size of viruses 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria. Viruses are smaller than bacteria, to 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria. 10 to 100 times bacteria. Okay, that's why viruses is very minute compared to bacteria. How much? 10 to 100 times. How much? 10 to 100 times. Okay, these viruses also seen under electron microscope. Microscope means Sushmadarshi. Okay, these bacteria, these viruses only found under the electron microscope. Okay, they are independent particle. कुणावर अवलंबून नसणार. Independent particle नसणार. These viruses are independent particle. Viruses are long molecule of DNA and RNA. This is the 2 types of acid present in human or body. These are 2 types of acid: deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA ribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA ribonucleic acid. This is 2 types of acid present in human body to transfer hereditary character. Transfer hereditary character means आनुवंशिक गुणधर्म पुढे पाठवतो. Okay, this virus is long molecule. Molecule means रेणू. This virus is long molecule of DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA. Okay. Viruses survive only plant and animal. Plant and animal cell. Viruses survive only plant and animal cell to produce O1 protein. To produce O1 protein. Protein means protein. Protein. Okay. To produce O1 protein. Viruses survive only plant and animal cell. Viruses survive only plant and animal cell to produce O1 protein. To produce O1. Viruses cause many diseases. Viruses cause many diseases to plant and animal. Viruses cause to many diseases. Disease means road. To plant and animal. To plant and animal. And also human. You already know coronavirus. They impact human life. This virus impact human life. Okay. This is a what viruses. This is a what viruses. This virus is very dangerous, like corona. Okay. You understand this? If any problem you ask me regarding to viruses, regarding to first topic, any point you do not understand, you ask me in chat box. Okay. Your doubt are clear by me. Okay. All doubts clear by me. Okay. These viruses. This is the last point in our first topic. What classification of microbes. Okay. We are start in this video new topic. The name of topic is health and disease. Health and disease. Okay. So what is meant by health? Some question regarding to health and disease. 4 to 5 question is there. We discuss this question on this topic related to on this initial point of this topic. You 4 to 5 question in your textbook. Is this question discussed in live lecture? This question discussed with live lecture. In this lecture, we actually start this point of health and disease. Actually, for starting point, this 4 to 5 question discussing live lecture. Okay. Health. Health is the state of complete physical, mental, social begins. Health is state of complete physical, state means sthiti, complete physical, sharik, physical means sharik, mental, manasik, okay, and social, samajik. Social means samajik. Okay. The health is state of completed physical, mental, social begins. म्हणजेच काय आरोग्य म्हणजे काय की सगळ्यांची स्थिती चांगली पाहिजे, सर्वांची स्थिती चांगली पाहिजे. म्हणजे काय फिजिकल म्हणजे शारीरिक दृष्ट्या, मेंटल मीन्स मानसिक दृष्ट्या, आणि सोशल मीन्स सामाजिक दृष्ट्या. वेल बिगिन्स म्हणजे चांगली स्थिती. वेल बिगिन्स means चांगली स्थिती. And not merely the absence of any. Merely means absence of any disease. Okay. Health is state of complete physical, mental, social well-being. म्हणजेच काय आरोग्य म्हणजेच काय मानसिक दृष्ट्या, सामाजिक दृष्ट्या आणि शारीरिक दृष्ट्या चांगलं असणं. वेल बिगिनेस म्हणजे चांगली स्थिती असणं. नॉट मेरिली म्हणजे फक्त absence of any disease means health नाही. absence of any disease means health नाही. तर हेल्थ काय आहे? तिन्ही स्टेट फिजिकल, मेंटली, सोशली चांगलं पाहिजे. ओके. नॉट मेरी म्हणजे फक्त absence of any disease म्हणजे हेल्थ नाही. absence of any disease म्हणजे कोणताही रोग नाही म्हणल्यावर हेल्थ चांगली नाही असं नाहीये. चांगली आहे म्हणजे कोणताही रोग नाही म्हणजे absence of any disease म्हणजे कोणताही रोग नाही म्हटल्यावर हेल्थ तुमची चांगली आहे असं नाहीये. तर सगळ्या गोष्टी चांगल्या पाहिजे, फिजिकल, मेंटल अँड सोशल. ओके. यू अंडरस्टँड? दिस इज अ हार्ड मीनिंग, सो आय एम यूज मराठी लँग्वेज. Marathi language. Okay. This is the meaning is very hard. Okay. म्हणजेच काय मानसिक दृष्ट्या, शारीरिक दृष्ट्या, सामाजिक दृष्ट्या चांगलं असणं म्हणजे आरोग्य. आणि आरोग्य फक्त असं नव्हे की कोणताही रोग झाला नाही म्हटल्यावर आरोग्य चांगलं आहे असं नाहीये. तर या गोष्टी पण त्याला लागतात. Okay. Next, what is a disease? Our question is, what is a disease? condition of disturbance physiological म्हणजे शारीरिक दृष्ट्या and physiological मानसिक दृष्ट्या. okay, condition of disturbance in physiological and physiological मानसिक दृष्ट्या process of body is called disease. Condition of disturbance means अडथळा. कशामध्ये अडथळा? फिजियोलॉजिकल शारीरिक प्रक्रियेमध्ये, या शारीरिक क्रियेमध्ये आणि मानसिक क्रियेमध्ये. मानसिक क्रियेमध्ये this process of body is called disease. The condition of disturbance in physiological and physiological process of body means काय? एखाद्या शारीरिक क्रियेमध्ये किंवा मानसिक क्रियेमध्ये अडथळा डिस्टर्बन्स तयार झाला त्या शरीरामध्ये तर त्याला काय म्हणतात? डिसीज is called disease. The condition of disturbance in physiological and physiological process of body is called disease. म्हटल्यावर एखाद्या मानसिक किंवा शारीरिक क्रियेमध्ये डिस्टर्बन्स म्हणजे अडथळा तयार झाला त्या शरीरामध्ये, बॉडीमध्ये, तर त्याला काय म्हणतात? डिसीज. डिसीज means रोग. ओके, is disease its own symptoms? Is disease is own means like common cold. In common cold, what is the symptoms means lakshane. Symptom means lakshane. Common flu, high fever, weakness. This is the symptoms of common fever, yeah, common cold. Tiredness, weakness, high fever. Types of disease. The two types of disease, various types of disease. Diabetes. These diseases occur due to increased sugar level in body. Diabetes. Then common cold, सर्दी, asthma. This people suffering from asthma, difficult in breathing. श्वसनाचा विकार. Down syndrome related to skin disease. म्हणजे त्वचा रोग आहे. Down syndrome means heart disease. You already know heart disease. Okay, this is the different types of disease. This is the what? Different types of disease. Which one? Diabetes, common cold, asthma. Down syndrome is related to skin disease, heart disease. This is the what? Different types of disease. Reason in different disease are different. Reasons are different in all different disease. Reasons are different in different disease. Okay, so this start types of disease. First is what? According to duration वेळेनुसार, according to duration आणि according to reason कारणानुसार. Okay, this is the two types of disease. First according to duration, according to reason. In according to duration, two types of disease: chronic and acute. Chronic means जुनाट रोग. Acute, short term disease. Chronic means जुनाट रोग. These disease occur up to long time, before long time. These disease occur in the body before long time. म्हणजे पूर्वीचा means जुनाट रोग. Chronic and acute. This acute disease is very short period. कमी कालावधीचा acute disease असतो. Okay, next. According to reason, first is what? Heredity. According to heredity means आनुवंशिक. आनुवंशिक. And acquired means साधा रोग. Acquired means साधा रोग. साधा रोग. Acquired means साधा रोग. Heredity means आनुवंशिक रोग. Acquired means साधा रोग. In acquired disease are two types: infection and non-infection. Infection and non-infection. संसर्गजन्य आणि असंसर्गजन्य. No infection and non-infection. संसर्गजन्य आणि असंसर्गजन्य. In infection, common cold and flu. In infection disease, common cold and flu. This is the example of infection disease, means संसर्गजन्य रोग. And non-infection is non-infection म्हणजे असंसर्गजन्य heart disease and diabetes. This is a what? Non-infection. Okay, means diseases are two types according to duration, according to reason. In duration, chronic, this disease occur in the body before long time in do not accurate. This disease in very short period is very short, कमी कालावधीचा असतो. Reason, acquired and hereditary. हे आनुवंशिक रोग. This acquired disease divided into two types of disease: infection disease and non-infection disease. In infection disease, common cold and flu is there, and non-infection is heart disease and diabetes. In what? Non-infection disease. Okay, this is a word. In short discussion, health and disease. This is the word. This beginning this chapter, you already carefully watch the all video live lecture, attend live lecture. If any problem, you ask me. This is our first talk. If any problem, you ask me. Any point you ask me, and in this today's new point, if any problem you ask me. Okay, not understand difficult word, meaning of word, do not understand some point related to this topic. Okay, you ask me in chat box. This video I am uploading in your Gurukul app. Everyone watch. Okay, thank you.